All right, so it is just Sandra and I again in the apartment, and that's my toilet in the background. There we go. So it's just Sandra and I back in the apartment. We did a lot today, I feel like, but I'm just now being proactive, and it's like 7. I'm gonna start meal prepping. I'm gonna finally take down my Christmas decorations. Yes, I know we're almost at the end of January and that is still out. So I'm gonna put all that stuff away because it's starting to get a little embarrassing. So yeah. Okay, so it is Tuesday night. Today I didn't really do much other than like get up and go to work. So that's why I didn't really have much to vlog for you guys today, but got done doing my skincare routine, so my face is nice and washed and hydrated, and I did all my serums and lotions. So now I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the evening. I think I'm just gonna call it a night. See you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is officially Wednesday. It is just about to be 7:43 and I need to work out. So I'm gonna change and do a workout, and then for sure this time today, get rid of that. Like, it's happening today. After I do that and after I drink my shake, I'm putting away the Christmas stuff. But I got these really cute leggings this past weekend at Aeropostale. But I got it on clearance actually for $10, so $9.99, and they look really cute. So nothing like new workout outfit to get you motivated. And
finds the better way. I tried on the wall, but it's hard to get out, and the wait is long. Do you like the way she moves? Something better will be blue. And what about us? It is funny 'cause it's true. I am so down with you, and the pain you feel.
Okay, so that was like my quick little like 30-minute workout. Now I'm gonna make my protein shake that is actually really yummy. I've made this before. I think I made this in my meal prep with me video last year. It's good, so I kept it around, and I'll show you guys how to make that, and then we're gonna tackle the Christmas decorations.
I'm getting right out of here, the way it's on. Do you like the way she moves? Something better will be
is Thursday. Already dinner, and I'm like in full relaxation mode. Well, I will be, because I'm going to do a face mask and I'm going to do a hair mask, and I'm also going to fix my fingernail that I did on Sunday, but it came off, so I gotta fix it.
I tried all I want, but it's hard to get out, and the wait is long. Do you like the way she moves? Something better will be blue. And what about us? It is funny 'cause it's true. I am so down with you, and the pain you feel is loving me you. When you start to feel my heart is happening. 7 days no sound, but you're all around.
And I bought a couple of things, actually, a couple of things that I really did need. One which is actually kind of cool. I got this wine saver. So it's a wine stopper, but also a vacuum pump. So it pumps out the air from the bottle and keeps it fresh for up to 7 days. So it's kind of cool. And then I also got a big bag of pink Himalayan salt because I'm completely out. I think I have like this much salt left in my little bamboo box. And then I got this really cute like leopard one piece. I have one like this. It's kind of like a mustard color, but this one is on clearance for, you'll see that, $3. And then I got this really good scented candle from DW Home. This one smells really good. It smells so clean. It's pear blossom. Tonight, I think I'm just gonna stay in and relax. TMI, I think I'm gonna get like my Mother Nature visit soon, like in the next week. I've been really craving PF Chang. I'd eaten there maybe once, and I think it was like in high school. But last night I was watching this video on Delish, and this girl went to TJ Maxx. She went to PF Chang's and she like ordered everything, and some of the stuff looked really good. So the nearest one is about like 25 minutes away, but you guys know, well, especially girls, you know that whenever you have a craving, you gotta get it. So I'm gonna be a little bad, and I'm going to order it and pick it up and come back here and then just watch Netflix and stuff my face with PF Chang's.
But it's hard to get out, and the
Only
way
shoving our faces in it this year. You doing okay, bud? I'm Miss Stacy. Yeah.
something better will be blue. And what about us?
Through a spa. I've only done like a handful of them.
It's true. I am so down with you, and the pain you feel.
Good morning, guys. It is a Sunday morning. I am dressed up in my volunteer getup. I've got my shirt and my fanny pack and my slip lead because I volunteer at the PSPCA, so I try to go there at least once a weekend, if not twice. I'm gonna go and see some pups and get them out of their kennels, play with them a little bit, and then get the rest of the day started, meal prep, the whole gist. But I also need to upload this video for you guys. So let's go play with some pups.